Hello everybody, welcome to another Outlaw video. Eric and Chris here. We're going to be out at the range today, doing a range day, practicing our shotgun skills and as well as sighting in our new scopes for our rifles and doing a little bit of action with the handguns.
So we brought some friends along with us today. We're going to help them. It's the very first time they've come out shooting with us. So we're going to teach them some safety lessons and then we'll see what they can do. We brought out some produce with us, so we'll see what we can do with that. Maybe things will go boom. And then we'll get into the shotguns, get ready for that duck season coming up. It's been a while since we've had shells run through our guns, so we're going to make sure that everything's still hunky-dory and we're going to get on after it.
Like he was saying, we have some fun produce. It's getting towards Halloween. It's a little early, but went into the store today and we found some pumpkins and, pumpkins and guns and what else are you gonna do? I mean, of course, but yeah, we're gonna get to doing some trap shooting and I feel like Ricky Bobby, like what do I do with my hands? I don't know what to do with my hands.
What do I do with my hands?
Do a little practicing. We got over 250 rounds and over 250 plays, so definitely gonna be putting a lot down range and hopefully by the end of the day we're gonna be smashing them and when duck season comes around we're gonna be killers. Absolutely accurate.
Well,
Or
one of us will be.
Oh, okay.
So, like we said, we brought a few friends with us. One of them is here right now, so we'll go ahead and let him introduce himself.
Hello, my name is Bryce, and I brought a Scar H17S today.
And he's gonna shoot one of our shotguns. We brought some extra shotguns along for everybody. So, I don't know how familiar you are with shooting shotguns.
I've shot shotguns almost my whole life. When I was a child, my dad took me out duck hunting, so we'll see how it goes today.
Maybe we can convince you to come on duck hunting with us later.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
That'd be
fun.
a good time.
It'll be a fun time. Alright, well let's get to it, guys. Does anyone know the 4 basic rules of gun safety? Or any one of the 4?
Guns are always loaded.
Okay, that is rule number 1. Guns are always loaded. Even if you think the gun is clear, you should treat it as if it is loaded. Rule number 2 is never point the gun at anything you aren't willing to kill or destroy. Right? So that's going to be other people, yourself, the building, cars, planes, basically anything you're not going to want to shoot, kill, destroy, either way. Rule number 3 of gun safety is to always keep your finger off the trigger until you are ready to shoot. Anytime you're carrying it and you're not ready to shoot, you're not immediately in front of the target, you're going to hold your hand like this. Keep your index finger out above the trigger, so you're not accidentally pull it, slip the ball, etc. And lastly, rule number 4, always be aware of what is behind your target. So when you do go up to the range to shoot, and you're going to shoot downrange for a target, just make sure no one else is out on the range, nothing behind the target. There isn't like wildlife here, anything, car. If anyone comes over the range, which should be theoretically impossible, but there's some guys out there hiking. Just be sure not to shoot at anyone that's beyond the target. Can we all feel that makes sense? Understand? Alright, cool.
I don't want to get
safe. We're a safe, fun time. No one's gonna get shot. Are you familiar with the basic operation? Maybe. Want me to show you? Okay. So, this here, stand up. Right here, like that, to allow the slide to release forward. As you see, I have the camera top back, so that leads me to ready to fire.
That is hot.
It's hot.
That's hot?
It's hot. This is your safety gear. Push down to fire, up.
Wait.
What did you say? Push right here. Up, right. Down is to fire. Up is safe. Rock.
Don't trust safety mechanisms.
Make sure you keep the plane safer. And we'll have a lot of recoil, so.
Oh, that's a flaming start. You guys ready?
Yep.
I don't gotta say nothing, right?
You can't.
I don't know what to say. No, yeah. Huh?
Oh, you have it. You're good.
Everybody's good?
Good.
Man, this looks.
Get it out.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready.
Going hot. When you're ready, we're rolling on both. All right, when you're ready. Yep, start. Way high.
Get a price. Hey, you can scoot up if you want.
Yeah, you can go all the way up to the line, so.
Did I hit it?
I think so. Nope. Well,
That
Not
looks
sure.
like I fucking hit it to me. There's like a new mark on it.
Alright, give me a sec. Oh, yeah.
You ready?
miss.
Holy. Does it hurt, bro?
Yeah.
F that. I'm not
Dude, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
sure. Nah, bro. I just see you rub your shoulder.
Grab my binocs out.
Is it pretty accurate, bro?
Yeah, that first shot hit at least.
Where did it hit at?
Like right in the middle of the pink thing, the second pink thing out. I can only tell from the scope I can actually see the mark that I made.
Hit the middle of one of those standing targets.
That's what we was aiming for last time.
Some of the cardboard ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, that third shot I took was the cardboard stand on the right. I was aiming right in the center of it. I can't tell if I hit it or not. Yeah, dude, you're gonna like this one.
I'm scared, dude.
I can't believe you only shot the pistol once.
Yeah, bro.
You should have kept shooting.
I'm scared, bro.
Oh, we'll be here for a while. When I give you my scar, I want you to shoot the whole clip. The whole mag, I mean.
Oh,
Just shoot the whole mag.
that's scary, dude.
I definitely missed.
Dang, bro.
I think that's just to the right, though.
Did I miss?
I think you went a little high, maybe?
Dude, that
It's like,
crazy.
just rack that shit up. Yep. Back in. There you go. Alright, you ready?
Bro, I had it up dead center, though.
Just try again. Sometimes,
You ready?
Yeah.
There you
Let's go!
Hell yeah.
Bro!
You broke the fuck out of the wire, though.
Aw.
So like it's hitting to the side now. It's okay. You want to keep going or what?
Yeah, one more shot.
Alright.
Is that the furthest target?
No, there's actually some further out targets there. Is there still a dong attached? Yeah. So you see that third tire on the left? There's 3 tires. The one on the left has a dong inside of it. That's the farthest out right now that I see.
Oh, okay, so the tire on the left is the white on top?
Yes. Yep.
And
That
then
has a
in the
dong
middle of it?
Yeah, in the middle is the dong.
Alright, got you. I hit that.
You hit it.
Oh my gosh!
I was going the wrong tire.
Safety. That was the wrong tire?
I filled the wrong tire.
Oh,
Of course.
bro. That's freaking
Wow.
dope. Oh my
That's
god.
not like both actions.
Bro, what the fuck? That thing is so accurate.
Yeah.
It's not loaded. Did you have to round it? That was an accident. I just forgot.
Wow.
I'm sorry. Alright, you did. Looks like slightly high and to the right. To the right.
Oh, yeah.
In the red.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh.
shot.
Yeah, I see it
Yep.
in the red.
Perfect.
Is that all?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Huh. This isn't the spider target, is it?
It said they're splatter targets.
They ain't splattering for shit.
So that like feels different.
Oh, I think you got
That's
the
it.
red. Is that the red?
Yeah.
Yep. Anyone see anything? Here, hit it.
Dude, that's actually pretty fucking loud.
What
I
the
didn't know
What?
556 was that loud.
What are you aiming at?
The target on the left,
Yeah, go down.
it was hella high.
Hella high.
Hell.
Couldn't tell on the camera if I hit or not.
What we got? Well, no, but is it high or low?
It looks like it's so high. Top part of red. Right middle of red.
Let me adjust down just a little bit.
I think it's 556 right there.
Yes. Yep.
Fucking loud. 556.
Fail.
Oh.
Blooper reel.
Sighted in close enough for that.
Heck yeah.
Well,
What should we shoot now? I want to shoot the dawn. I want to shoot the dawn on the left.
wrong on the left, on the far left. Okay. Hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's pretty centered. I'll try for the third tire to the left tire, the dawn in the middle of that, okay?
Low.
Low, huh?
I think there's just a few inches low.
High.
Nice.
From what I can tell on the camera.
I think I can. It just doesn't move very much. It's in the dirt. What do you think?
Yeah, you probably hit it the first time.
One more.
It was definitely high the second time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hit.
Alright, this is hot.
Jesus.
That was
What
high.
the?
Way high. He's like, what the fuck? Get me out of here.
Oh my god.
So let's.
Shit is high as fuck.
Huh?
It's high as fuck.
Yeah. So, maybe.
Why is that so loud? Yeah.
Yeah.
1000%.
It hasn't gone anywhere. Going up or down.
Can you see it moving down?
No.
Or up?
Oh my god. Oh my god, Chris.
Yep.
Yep.
What is it? That's just on
That's
there.
the cat.
We're
just I'll stand here.
Why isn't it moving, guys?
That was the tap. Holy fucking shit, dude.
Still a bit high.
Are you excited to shoot it?
I'm a little nervous, but yeah.
He might pee himself a little bit. Just a little bit, though. And that's perfectly fine.
That's fine.
If you get an erection, that's even better.
What do you want? We're shooting 120 FPS right now.
Plugged up my ears the first time I shot it. Oh, that's loud over here.
Yeah.
I can really tell.
It's crazy. You can feel it too.
Yeah, it's like fucking.
That was it. That was the last round.
It's not really.
Hey, how did it feel, Eric?
Just like shooting my AR.
A lot of hit or what?
No, just the same as my AR. Maybe a little less quicker.
I want you to shoot this whole map.
Yeah, do it.
Go for it.
Always remember the golden rule: pick up your grass.
Fatal.
Also, if you're the bitch, you have to pick up your grass. Ass.
Oh, you hit it.
Still on the bench though.
Thank you.
Oh,
There we
she
go.
goes. There she goes.
Alright, give me a second.
Let's go.
First shot.
Fuck yeah. I think there was something to Sergio. Maybe is a good shot. Maybe. You might be right.
Dang.
You?
Let's go.
Slow motion. Hell yeah! Hope you guys enjoyed that video. We got a lot of shooting out of us, a lot of practicing in. What we learned here is Chris is the master at the plays. Bryce is second up, and I am definitely third on the podium, maybe fourth. I think Sergio, valid points right there. So, but yeah, I suck at shooting plays right now. These just practicing. But Chris over here is a regular killer.
Well, shooting the shotguns, I do a little bit better than I remember than I was at shooting the tight pigeons. So that was a good experience. They're definitely hurts.
As always, we can always get better. We definitely weren't 100 for 100, so need to make sure we're still out here putting in that range time so that we can get better every day.
All right, well, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure to subscribe so you can see that next video when we publish it.